Once you have logged into Epic, you will come to this scheduling screen, which we aren't using. We're going to be using the patient list up here on the left.
Say what you're going to do.
Click on the patient list. We're now going to be setting up our patient lists and assigning patients to ourselves and printing our patient list for us to work with for the rest of the day. In order to set up your patient list, you're going to find the Rehab census, which is down under Providence, Everett, and then you find all occupational therapy. We want to copy the systems list by right-clicking on OT Acute to get all the acute OT orders and bringing it up here, and right-clicking on all OT patients and pasting the systems list. We will then find my patients and our treatment team by going down to all my patients and right-clicking on the treatment team and copying the systems list, and then right-clicking on the paste systems list under my patients. We now have two lists, the entire Rehab census for occupational therapy orders, and then the treatment team list, which is all of the patients that are assigned to you. In order to assign patients to yourself, you're going to click on the OT Acute to bring up the entire Rehab census. The list is organized by unit, room and bed. You can sort it that way. You can sort it by patient name, age and sex, OT treatment team, visit type, or doctor, or however else you have it set up. We're going to be organizing it by unit so that we can find the patients that we generally work with on our floor. We're going to scroll down to find all of the patients in the B unit, and I'm going to assign a few of them to myself. You click on one patient, and in order to highlight more, if I wanted to highlight these four patients, I hold down the control button while clicking on them. I right-click and hit Assign Me to assign myself as an occupational therapist. In the real environment, we don't have to type in what role we are. It will automatically know as if we are an OT or a PT or a speech-language pathologist. In order to find these patients again, on our patient list, you click over on the treatment team list, and here they now are, and I can go about my day by going up to the top right and clicking print, and then the patient list will print. Make sure it's connected to the right printer. If I wanted to sort my patients and see who else was working on these patients, you can click on the treatment team and sort by that. Mel Albran is a different occupational therapist. There's One Meal Serial. He is a different occupational therapist, and this is Two Mel Serial, which are my patients that I have just assigned. You can sort by all of the therapists to find out who's working with who.